If you're trying to figure out what kind of evaporator coil shape your air conditioner has, knowing the A, N, and W shapes can seriously help you understand how your system works and what might need fixing. Alright, so here's the lowdown on these coil shapes. The A-shaped evaporator coil is the most common one you'll see in residential AC units, and it looks just like a capital A with two slanting sides meeting at the top. This design helps with efficient airflow and cooling performance because the surface area is spread out nicely. Then there's the N-shaped coil, which kinda looks like the letter N, with two vertical legs connected by a diagonal middle part. This one's less common but useful in some systems where space or airflow patterns are different. Last up is the W-shaped coil, which has three peaks, making it look like a W. This shape is usually for bigger commercial units or systems needing extra cooling power. If you're dealing with filters or cleaning, knowing your coil shape helps you avoid bending fins or causing damage while maintaining it. Also, different shapes might mean different replacement parts or repair approaches, so it's good info to have when you're talking to HVAC pros. And just so you know, those shapes aren't random. They're designed to maximize cooling efficiency while fitting into different unit sizes and layouts. One of the biggest mistakes people make when dealing with evaporator coils is not identifying the coil shape before ordering parts or calling a technician, which can lead to buying the wrong replacement and wasting money. Another common issue is ignoring coil cleaning. Dust buildup on any coil shape cuts down cooling efficiency and forces your system to work harder, so regular maintenance is key. Lastly, folks often mess up by trying to fix bent fins or damaged coils themselves without the right tools or knowledge, which can actually cause more harm than good. Best to get a pro for repairs, but keep the coil clean with gentle brushes or vacuuming. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with trusted local contractors who know their stuff about HVAC systems and evaporator coils, making it way easier to find reliable help without stress. Contractors also get a solid platform there to reach people who need their skills, helping everyone get the job done right.